Home Remedies presents how to make an incredibly amazing anti-aging vitamin C serum at home. I am very excited for today's video. I wanted to make it from a long time now. Finally, today I am going to tell you how to make an incredibly amazing anti-aging vitamin C serum. First, I will tell you how to make the main ingredient, the vitamin C powder. Ingredients: orange peels from 2 oranges. Instructions: take peels of 2 oranges and dry them out in the sun for 2 to 3 days. Once done, grind the peels into a powder form. These peels are solid form of vitamin C. You can also apply this directly as a face pack, but I prefer serum. Now how to make the serum. Ingredients: vitamin C powder 1 teaspoon, the one we just made. Distilled water 1 teaspoon. Glycerin or aloe vera gel 1 teaspoon. This is optional. Vitamin E 1/4 teaspoon. That is optional. Small dark glass bottle, preferred with a dropper. Instructions: mix the ingredients in small bowl until the granules are dissolved completely. If you omit glycerin and vitamin E, you can add an extra teaspoon of water so that your serum isn't too strong. Transfer to a dark glass bottle. Your serum is ready to apply. How to use. After cleansing and toning, apply to the skin at night. Let the serum soak in and then apply your moisturizer as usual. Gently shake the serum bottle before each use. The serum will be thick. Vitamin C serum shouldn't be used during the day due to the sun exposure. To make sure your serum is perfectly made, you can use a pH test strip. Your serum should be right around 3.5 to get the most benefits of it. Make a small batch and use it only for 3 to 5 days. It is some extra work, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. The serum should be refrigerated because vitamin C is very fragile, so to keep it fresh, the fridge is the best place to store it. Vitamin C can cause your skin to be irritated at first. When you apply it, a small amount of tingling is normal. If your skin is irritated with the recipe, then decrease the amount of vitamin C powder at first. Use 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon and slowly work your way up to more if desired. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.